Hi guys, I'm Tim Cooper and today I'm on site at Flynnwood Estate, an exciting new land development. The Summit team, and in particular myself and Greg Gardner, are thrilled to be on board as the exclusive selling agents for these blocks, and anyone planning on building a new home really needs to check these out. We're in a great location. Usher is only 10 minutes to the CBD and literally only moments to the Southwest Sports Centre, major shopping centres, public transport, schools and the beach. The first release of Flynnwood Estate has 15 blocks available. Prices start from just $125,000, which makes them an affordable option for a variety of buyers. House and land packages start from just under $300,000. For a limited time, the next 5 blocks purchased will receive full fencing included, as well as front landscaping to the value of $1,500. We're receiving good interest on the blocks, so don't miss out. Get in touch today for your price list and more information.